I apologize if you hear any background noise. My children are home for the summer and it is not quiet in this house anymore. This is the story of Mary Elizabeth Johnson Hicks Exline Lamb. She was married 3 times, so she has a long name. Mary was born on January 10th, 1866, in Kentucky. She was the fourth of 5 children, born to James and Margaret Jones Johnson. Both of her parents were also born in Kentucky, and when Mary was born, she joined 3 older brothers. In 1870, when she was around 4, her family was living on a farm in Grayson County, Kentucky. It's believed Mary's father, James, passed away around 1877 at the age of 40. A few years later, the 1880 census shows an odd situation. Mary's mom had moved their family from Kentucky to Douglas County, Missouri. Mary's mother, Margaret, was around 40 at the time, and they had moved in with a 26-year-old man named Robert Robinette. Margaret also had her mother living with them. Margaret and Robert were not married, and she stated she was widowed on the record, but Robert claimed all of her kids as his kids. Robert owned a farm, and her 2 sons and 15-year-old Mary were working on the farm, while Margaret kept house. Not long after the census was taken, both Mary and her mother would marry a father and his son. A few years later, in 1882, 16-year-old Mary married 19-year-old William Jesse Hicks. At some point, Mary's mother, Margaret, married to William's father, who was also named William Hicks. Are you confused yet? Mary and William would have 6 sons together. Their names were John, Sanford, Charlie, Cecil, Elbert, and Delmar. Their baby son John passed away in 1884 at only 1 year old. He is buried in Henderson Cemetery in Douglas County, Missouri, but I had no luck finding his stone. Sadly, Mary's husband William passed away in 1891 at the age of 29. William was buried in Henderson Cemetery with his son John. This left Mary alone with 5 small boys to raise. The next year, in 1892, 27-year-old Mary married 51-year-old Malin Exline. They would have 1 son together, Robert. But by the 1900 census, Mary was living alone with her 6 sons, and she stated she was divorced. Later that year, 35-year-old Mary married 42-year-old John Richard Lamb. John's first wife, Mary Sullivan, had passed away a few years earlier. John had 6 children from his first marriage, making a total of 13 children with the combined households. Mary and John would have at least 2 children together, a daughter named Charlotte and a son also named John. In 1910, they were living in Ozark County, farming with their children. Mary's mother, Margaret, who was around 70, had also moved in with them. Fast forward 10 years, and the couple were empty nesters. Mary was in her early 50s, and they had moved to Howell County, Missouri. They were living in the town of Brandsville, and it said they owned and were running a bakery for a living. Many years later, in 1931, Mary's husband John passed away at the age of 73. His burial details are unknown, and my research didn't turn anything up. Mary lived only 7 more years after John. Mary passed away on December 21st, 1938, at the age of 72. Mary passed away from chronic nephritis and myocarditis, meaning she had inflammation in her kidneys and her heart. She was buried in Henderson Cemetery next to her first husband, William Hicks. My family tree research showed that I am related to Mary. She is my 6th cousin, 5 times removed. Thank you for watching and keeping these stories alive. Rest in peace, Mary.